This video is a tutorial on how to use your Supra eKey. Press in on the bottom to turn on the box. The red flashing light indicates that the box is on and transmitting a signal. Open the Supra eKey app on your smartphone. If this is your first time using the app, you will need to activate the app with an authorization code. If you do not have a code, please contact our member services for more information. Call us at 407-846-0117. Tap on Activate eKey app. Next, tap on I already have an authorization code. Type in your authorization code and tap the radio buttons to finish activating the app. Tap on the key to open the box. Type in the PIN code provided to you. Make sure you have your Bluetooth turned on. You will be asked to pair with the eKey. Push up on the bottom of the eKey to open the sled. The metal sled is designed to fit the keys and a couple of business cards. The sled is designed to go in one way only, with the key compartment facing the front. Push the sled all the way in till you hear it click. It will automatically lock itself. To open the shackle, tap on Open Shackle in the app. Type in your shackle code and select a reason for opening the shackle. Push down on the shackle while pushing up on the box. Then pull up on the shackle. When you unlock the shackle on the app, you can edit your box settings and shackle code. To reattach the shackle, put the box below the door handle, then push the shackle all the way back in. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 407-846-0117. Or email us at membership@Osceola-Realtors.com.